What's up, guys? I figure I'd give you guys what you want. Nothing you don't. So, here's an issue I had with this thing. I got this sweet case for it from Allen Tactical. I dig it. Anyway, this thing. It's a sweet little cover I made. Cover that while it's in the case or whatever. It's just foam folded over. Just something cool. That's the reason I'm pulling it out. It's got the Raptor on there. These I just got. This is like the prototype. I got this like 2 months ago. Thought that was cool. It's from this company right here. Next Level Armament. I dig it. Here's something I got as a side project. Got it for $8 on the eBays. It's pretty sweet. I'm going to try to start using this to edge my beard. It's good except for the very end is kind of like jacked up. It looks like the guy was trying to scrape tile with the damn thing or something. Some really rough scratches in the end. That's cool. Otherwise, I hit it with a bunch of Mother's mag wheel polish, and it's all shiny now, so that's pretty cool. This thing's pretty sweet. Waiting on the mail for something, so stay tuned. I'm waiting for a flashlight to come in for this bad boy. So these lights, primer strikes, this thing was doing, but I got a new hammer spring in there, so we're going to try that out one day soon. I just wanted to say how much I like these Next Level Armament products. I think they're really cool. And I own the Raptor, so I can talk trash. See what I'm saying? This thing is badass. Here's a little pro tip. I'm actually putting white, like, firearms grease on the top of the charging handle, and I like that. Just a thin coat. I dig it. So this thing's money. I'm hoping that I don't have a headspace issue, because if that's why I'm having these light primer strikes, I'm bummed. So I'm hoping it's the hammers not hit them hard enough. That's what I'm praying for. We'll find out after we shoot it again. But these things, these are cool. I'm going to sell this one. I like it and everything, but I'm going to sell it so that way it only costs me like $20 to upgrade to the new one. I don't need an extra one of these sitting around. And I don't think this one will ever break, ever. This one's reinforced roll pins, where this one was just one normal roll pin. Still really good though. But this arm right here is a little bit long. I think that this is the back of the cut. These hang out really far, like back. It'd be like this. Let me sit back farther. This one's gonna need scooched up a little bit. See how that gap from there to there is shorter? That's how much forward it is over this old design. See this whole flat from there to there? Is that like a quarter of an inch, maybe just a little less? That's how far back those are on the actual thing installed. So I like that about the prototype. That was pretty cool that they're so far back. I like that. It's a little bit clicky though. So is the new one, but I think that it's a break-in issue. Dang, this thing needs some lube or something on it. I'm lefty, so I plan on using the left-hand side. Yeah, it's real quickie too. The Raptor's definitely got it in the smooth factor. Yeah, guys, you guys need to definitely get this to be smoother. You guys see that? You hear it? Yeah, the Raptor is definitely smooth. This should not have these weird stopping points in it. But I don't think it's an issue. I don't know. Maybe I'm not really too impressed with how smooth that is. More and more I do it. Even the old one is smoother and softer. Yeah, you guys need to work on this a little bit, I think. And that's an issue. I mean, that sounds violent. But hey, it's all fun, right? It's all learning, it's all new. Good stuff, right? Can't wait to get a single mode flashlight to fill this thing. It will be going right there. This is just a piece of Picatinny that I cut down, so that way my hand could fit there without being weird feeling. These are the things you do, man. It's not even pretty. I was like, you know, I'm purposely not going to make this too pretty because the paint won't stay there. I'm loving my new toy, but dang, that's a lot of noise. Well, I'm going to give it more of an opinion later.